Let's go, man. Now that I'm your savior, you owe me a favor. This nigga tripping. Nah, he just saved our lives. We gotta pay him back.
Just leave it alone. Get your ass in the house. Get in the house. Always thought. Oh, I'ma get you, side niggas.
Come on, man, we're going on a trip. Where we going? Nowhere is you know in a bit. Go inside, go inside. I don't trust this shit, let's just go inside. These are the boys that I told you about. Really? They'll make that run for you, hold you down. Man, we out this. Give the case to the boys. You meet the Latinos that ain't hear me, boy. Wait, we don't know the Latin, no. So what will we do this? Oh, we save your life first. Don't do it, you wind up in a hearse. Okay, nigga, give me the case. Be polite or you'll die. Get the fuck out my face. Click, 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 click. Oh shit, click, click. Give him the address to the police. Get out. I'm starting to think that you're the devil. Chill, bro. Got troubles on a whole nother level. You a real nigga, never faking. Bien esto. The Jamaicans. Papito, let him in.